Good morning, students. Today we study about the listing of vulnerable plant and animal species in India, rare species of plants and animals in India, and also the threatened plant and animal species in India. Vulnerable species is one which has been categorized by the International Union for Conservation of Nature as likely to become endangered. Vulnerability is mainly caused by habitat loss or destruction of the species home. Vulnerable species is one which has been categorized by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. There are now 4,728 animals and 4,914 plants listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List, International Union Code of Nomenclature Red List. Some of they are mosses, liverworts means bryophytes, then pteridophytes such as leptosporangiate ferns, Isotopsida, other pteridophytes, and gymnosperms are cycads, conifers, and the angiosperms of the order Piperales. These are the vulnerable plant species in India. And vulnerable animal species, they are called vulnerable due to loss of habitat, destruction, and facing a high risk of declining population in the world. Vulnerable animal species, wild animal species in India include Nilgiri marten, Nilgiri langur, Barsinga, Nicobar flying fox, takin, wild goat, etc. Then the rare plant and animal species. Rare species is a group of organisms that are very uncommon, scarce, or infrequently encountered. Rare species are with small populations. Rare native plants of India are India is home to around 15,000 plant species, which account for 6% of the world's plant species. Some rare plant species are milkwort, jemicanda, spiderwort, bird's foot, that is Lotus cariculatus, Lotus corniculatus, and Assam catkin yew. These are the rare plant species of India. Then the rare animal species of India, they are Nilgiri tahar, greater one-horned rhinos, Asiatic lion, snow leopard, black buck, lion-tailed macaw, red panda, and Kashmir red stag, that is Hogul. These are the rare animal species of India. Then the threatened plant and animal species. Threatened species are any species including animals, plants, microorganisms, etc., which are vulnerable to endangerment in the near future. Species that are threatened, sometimes characterized by the population dynamics measure of critical dispensation. The threatened plant species are of almost 4,000 species that have been carefully assessed. Over one-fifth, that is 22%, are classed as threatened. Plants are more threatened than birds, as threatened as mammals, and less threatened than amphibians or corals. Gymnosperms, including conifers and cycads, are the most threatened group of plants. Some threatened plant species are Amentotaxus assamica, Diospyros cilibica, Actinodaphne lawsoni, Abitilon indicum, Polygala irregularis, and Lotus corniculatus. These are some of the threatened plant species of India. Then the threatened animal species, they are Royal Bengal tiger, Asiatic elephant, Indian rhino. Along this, India has also threatened species conservation program since 2008. It includes the species of animals Nilgiri tahar, Asiatic lion, snow leopard, black-necked crane, smooth-coated otter, Himalayan quail, great Indian bustard, leopard, and gharial. This is all about the threatened plant and animal species, rare plant and animal species, and vulnerable animal and plant species. In next class, we study about the endangered plant and animal species and extinct plant and animal species. Thank you.